Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to discuss how to create a line graph to display different groups of data in Microsoft Excel. The reason you might want to do this is you have listings of different data types and you want to combine them to show them graphically in one place and make it easy to understand. So first you want to lay out your data. Choose your X and Y axes for the data to be displayed. So on this chart here for quarter 1 grades, I have grade 1, 2, and 3 across the top, and then the 3 students listed on the left, and we're going to create a chart out of this. So these are the different groups and the data that we will want represented. Select all of the data, including the titles, then go up to line, and you can select different type of lines. This is going to give you the line graph that will actually display the results in relation to each other. So as you can see, the lines actually sort of intersect and cross each other. That's the best way to show the actual data as a representation of how the other kids in the class did. And that's basically how to use a line graph to represent different groups of data. My name is Justin Conway. I hope that helped.